That looks sexy. Be sexy with it, Chuck. Strike a pose. Work it, girl. Okay.
Oh my lord, I'm feeling something tingly.
Oh, you're gonna make a mess. I'm not awkward. I just don't give a fuck. I think it's hilarious. I have no shame.
Awkward straight boys.
That's us.
So that's one of those
Butterfly clamps.
butterfly clamps to hold it together.
Butterfly.
Except I just dropped the
Way to go,
wedgie
Chuck.
thing, and I can't find it.
It's in there somewhere. It's fine.
I see it.
Couldn't gone too far.
Damn. We cut some shit.
Yeah, the seam sealer smells really good.
Oh, the seam sealer that's older than damn near everybody in the room?
Okay, you probably got asbestos in it.
That means it's good.
That's why it's still there.
That's right.
Wow.
Lots of
Oh, you know what? It's
still,
captivated. I can't get in
Petroleum
there.
and asbestos.
Unless I do this.
You want me
Oh, it's
to,
because
you want me
of
to
the
whack
base?
the chingus?
There we go.
Oh,
I got it.
Sherman's got it.
Yeah, I knew the old stuff.
Everything with lead in it.
He's always had it.
There's like 300 pounds of lead bricks over there on the shelf if anybody wants real lead.
Ooh, I'm gonna lick that.
Oh, yes.
It's how you set the car up.
Okay, so that's there.
Look at that. Hold on, I gotta go on that side. Trade.
What we want to do
Whoa.
now
Whatever has to be done.
is look at, we've got a little bit of a gap here. See that?
Yeah.
And we've got a little bit of an overrun here. That's not bad.
For being in one spot, only held on in one spot, it's not horrible.
No, it's not hateful. We've got some material that we have to take off here.
You know, you could trace that now and I could cut it.
You could.
But you got to get your other end figured out too, because
Right.
we have so much overhang this way on it that it's pushing this back.
True.
So there's like gaps of like a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch in there. When you weld, that'll all be
Filled in.
filled in. Cool.
Okay, we're on the wrong side of the panel too.
Yeah, so it's going to have to go in. But that's okay. Back it up. There you go. Oh, look. So much nicer.
Yeah, that's up your butterfly.
Pardon?
Butterfly.
No, that's easy to
There.
fix. That's you just tap it a couple of times.
I just did that, Sherman.
Sorry. It's hanging up right there.
It's this little flappy flappadoo.
There we go. That's better.
That side's not bad.
Isn't the edge of that really sharp?
Yes.
The actual edge, yeah. But if you tap it flat, it doesn't hurt.
No, I'm just
Nice.
wondering,
Ah!
moving it all around with your hand.
I should have gloves on.
That's what I was asking, safety wise.
I should have gloves.
I've welded in my underwear. I don't
Because that should
care.
be, I could send you to the hospital.
It hasn't yet.
We have our own doctor on staff. We're good.
There's plenty of duct tape.
Come over
Let
here
the
and take a
duct
look
tape
at
closed.
Take fit, duct tape
this.
or
Staple guns.
Here's what I think we got to do.
Trim.
Yeah, right in here.
Right on our line
Yeah, right on the line, right to there.
to the actual line itself.
Yep. Yep.
Okay,
That'll work.
doctor. I was looking at doctor.
Doctor.
Car doctor.
I concur.
Other car doctor.
I concur.
Other doctor.
We all concur. Get the cut.
Yes, sir.